So guys, we very good morning to all of you. So today also I am going to make one video for you. I hope you will see the video, and I hope you will enjoy the video and see the video till the end. Okay, then you will understand what I am going to tell you. Okay, so today in this part I am going to discuss about the compound interest. In my previous video already we have discussed about that simple interest, right? Simple interest and its application we have started. If you are not looking this video till now, then you can see from description box. Okay, the link is there, you can see. Also you can search Let's Know Mathematics in my YouTube. This is the first my channel will come, so you can see the video. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about the compound interest. Okay, compound interest. So it is clearly written here, when the interest is calculated on the amount of the previous year, then it is called interest compounded or compound interest. What all? When the interest is calculated on the amount of the previous year, then it is called interest compounded or compound interest. So let me explain about it. Okay, what by this sentence what told. Okay, so what I'm going to discuss here today, compound interest, right? So compound interest means what? When the interest is calculated on the amount of the previous year, then it is called interest compounded or compound interest, right? So that means suppose the amount 5,000 rupees you have, okay, and this amount you have given for interest 3 year, okay, 3 year. Okay, suppose this the rate of interest you are asking about the 5%. Okay, 5%. Okay, then that after 3 years how much money you will get back? So it will be the compound interest, right? So it is clearly mentioned that when the interest is calculated on the amount of the previous year, right? Amount of the previous year. That means, see, suppose if you are taking 5% on 5,000 rupees, then what will be the interest? 5 by 100 into 5,000, right? 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 550 0, how much? 250. This is the interest, right? Interest, is it? So the amount will be how much? First year amount after 1 year over, amount will be how much? 5,000 plus 250, the interest, right? So 5,250, is it? 5,250. So next year, this is for 1 year, right? This is for 1 year, cancel. That means 1 year is gone, means what will be? 2 years is left, right? For second year, the interest have to pay it on this amount. Okay, second year interest have to pay it on this amount. Okay, that means second year amount will be how much? Amount is equal to 5,250, right? Understood? So here he have to give the 5% amount. Okay, if you are going to count interest compounded or compound interest, then he have to give the amount, the previous year amount. Okay, means this amount. The interest next year interest you will count this amount. Okay, so 5% if you are taking, then how much will be here? See, so if you are going to take this 5%, then and the interest will be how much? Interest will be how much? 262.5. Okay. After that, for third year means after second year over, the amount will be how much? 5,250 plus 262.5. That means how much will be? 5,512.5, right? 5,512.5. This it will be the next year amount, and the interest have to pay it for third year. See, here the first year is gone, the second year is gone. Then the amount is given for how many years? 3 years, right? So this 3 years means third year amount will be this one. Okay. So amount he have to give the interest on this amount for third year. Okay. So here also you are going to take 5%, right? So 5% if you are taking, then amount will be how much? 275.625. This much amount interest he have to pay for the third year. Okay. Then see, if he have to pay this amount for third year, then amount will be how much? Means that amount third, right? Amount third will be how much? 5,501.2.5 plus 275.625, right? So this one if you are going to add, then how much you will be getting? So the third year amount will be how much? 5,788.125. Okay. So this much amount will be the third year. Okay. So third year he have to bake this amount 5,788.125. Okay. This is called compound interest. Okay. So this, see, again I am going to tell you once. 5,000 amount you have. Okay. So this amount you are giving for interest 5% for 3 years. Okay. So the first year you will be getting how much? Interest will be 250. Okay. Then amount will be how much? Amount is equal to 5,000 principal plus interest. So this one will be the amount. Okay. For second year amount will be this much. Okay. For second year he have to pay the interest on this year, because the previous year interest was how much? 5,000 rupees. Is it? Amount was 5,000. Then amount plus interest will be together. Then it will be 5,250. Then you have to pay the amount here. Okay. In this amount. After that, if he need to pay the 5% per annum, 5% interest on this amount, then the interest will be how much? 262.5. Okay. After that, this year amount will be how much? 5,250 is already is there. So 262.5 will be adding with the amount. So togetherly it will become 5,512.5, right? So this will be the amount for second year. Okay. Means second year complete. Okay. So till then he have to pay interest on this amount. Okay. So this amount if you are going to take 5%, then interest will be this one. So for third year, means the last year amount will be how much? 5,512.25 was already the previous year, right? So 275.625 will be adding with the amount. Then you will be getting amount third year. Okay. So third year amount will be this much. Okay. So this one is the amount. Total amount he have to pay to you that in the last of the third year he have to 5,788. Now the question that how much interest he is getting. Okay. So compound interest is equal to how much? This one first interest was, is it? So interest 1 plus interest 2 plus interest 3. Do interest means how much? First of all he got 250. Next year he got 262.5, and third year he got 275.65, right? 275.625. Okay. If you are adding this one, then it will be this is for first year, this is for second year, this is for third year. Okay. If you are adding this one, you will get the answer. How much you are getting? This much he is getting the interest. Okay. This is called compound interest. Understood, guys? Okay. Then let's try one example. Okay. So this example I have written here. See this book. Okay. A sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed by James for 2 years at an interest of 10% compound interest annually. Okay, compounded annually. Find the compound interest and the amount he has to pay at the end of 2 years. Okay, So let me do it, and all of you please see the video till the end, okay? Then you will understand first. So what told us, a sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed by James for 2 years at an interest of 10% compounded annually. Find the compound interest and the amount he has to pay the end of 2 years. Okay. So first of all you write given. Okay. So compound interest, how I understood you this way, for this method, for this sums, for the same method I am going to explain. So see, and one more method is there to find the compound interest very simply. This one also I am going to tell you. Just you see the video till the end, okay? I hope I granted that related to compound interest formula, compound interest sum, everything you can do by looking this video, okay? So I am going to tell you by step, okay? So given principal means how much? 10,000, right? 10,000, is it? So time what given means number of year, okay? Number of year. This one we can tell time, okay? Number of year. What given? 2 year, okay? 2 year, okay? So then what given us? The rate of interest how much? Rate of interest are equal to how much? 10%, okay? So what we have to find? We have to find what we need to find? Compound interest CI and amount at the end of 2 years, right? So this one I am going to solve you. Okay, so let's see the video. Okay, first year principal P1 is equal to how much? 10,000. Okay, so time will be how much? 1 year. Because why? First year, only for 1 year I am going to show you first, is it? So rate of interest will be the same, 10%. Okay, then find SI. We can find SI is equal to, we know that SI is equal to P RT by 100, right? So this one, P means how much? 10,000. Okay, 10,000 into R means how much? 10 into 1. T means how much? 1 by 100. Okay, sorry, 100. Okay, not 0, 100. 0 cancel. This 0 and this 0 cancel. So what will be remaining? 1,000, right? 1,000. So the first year simple interest will be how much? 1,000. Okay. So first year simple interest will be 1,000. So the first year after 1 year over the amount will be what amount 1 is equal to? First of all the principal plus principal 1 means first year principal and SI 1. Okay. Simple interest 1. That means the 10,000 plus 1,000, is it? So this one was 11,000. Okay, 11,000 will be the amount, the first year amount. After first year over, the amount will be how much? 11,000. So next year he have to pay the 10% interest on here. Okay, in 11,000. Okay, for second year, okay, for second year, principal 2 is equal to how much? 11,000. Okay, time how much? 1 year. Okay, for second year means only for 1 year we will be counting, right? So rate of interest what given? 10%. Okay, and then SI 2 is equal to how much? How much? P2RT divided by 100. That means 11,000 into 10 into 1 by 100. Okay, 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. That means what remaining here? He have to pay the interest how much? 1,100. Okay, 1,100. Okay. Then see. So if he will pay the amount interest 1,100, then the amount second year. Sorry. Wine is blowing. So amount 2 is equal to how much? Principal 2 plus SI 2, is it? So this means 11,000 plus 1,100, right? So this one will be 12,100, right? So 12,100 will be the amount after 2 years. Okay. At the end of 2 years, he have to pay the interest or amount. This one, 12,100, and the compound interest CI is equal to SI1 plus SI2, right? So for first year he has paid amount how much? First year SI1 means what? This one, right? 1,000, and then for second year how much? 1,100. That means 1,000 plus 1,100. How much? 2,100. Okay, 2,100 he have to pay the interest. Okay, at the end of 2 years, then amount how much? 12,000. Okay, 12,100 he have to pay it after 2 years. Okay, means at the end of 2 years he have to pay the amount 12,100, and the interest will be, compound interest will be how much? 2,100. Okay, right? Understood, guys? So this method, this sum, how to do with a different method, I am going to show you. See. So see all of you guys, the same question I am going to show you the different method. Which method you are getting easy, you can use. Okay. So see solution. Okay. A sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed by James for 2 years at an interest of 10% compounded annually. Find the compound interest and the amount he has to pay at the end of 2 years. Okay. So this one I am going to show you the another method. Okay. Means the directly by using the directly compound interest formula, how to solve, how to find the answer, I am going to show you this one. You can see. Okay. So which method you will be getting easy, you can use this one. Okay. There will be no any one mistake and no marks will be deducted in the exam. Which method you are using. Okay. So as your choice you can use. Okay. See, given what given us? The principal amount how much? 10,000, right? 10,000. Okay. So time t is given how much? 2 years, right? Okay, this one we can represent n also. Okay, number of year. Okay, so rate of interest how much? 10%. Okay, so we know that for compound interest the amount is equal to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, here the P means principal, 1 plus R means what? Rate of interest. Okay, and n means what? Number of year. Okay, time means. Okay, so the amount I am going to show you, amount is equal to how much? Principal means how much given us? 10,000. Yes, 1 plus R means how much? 10 by 100 to the power n means what? 2. Yes, n is 2 given. Yes, so 10,000 into this one, we am going to take the LCM, then 100 will be, is it? Here also 1 is there, right? By this one you divide this one, you will be getting 100. By this 100 you multiply with 1, you will be getting here 100, right? Plus this 100, right? This 100 you divide this 100, 1 will be getting, this 1 you will multiply with 10, that means 10, right? So square. Okay, very simple. Okay, so 10,000. Okay, 10,000 into 110, right? 110 by 100 is square. That means now you broke that square. 10,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. Okay, so now see, now this square is there, right? Therefore I have written here 2 times. Okay, so this 0, 2 0 cancel, 3 4 0 cancel, then means 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 cancel, is it? So what remaining here? 110 into 110. Okay, so this one what? Amount is equal to 1,200, 12,100, right? Okay, 11 11 are 121, then 0000. Okay, so that amount is how much? Amount is equal to 12,100 after 2 years. So it is simple now. So after that, see how to find. So n the amount. What you need to find? What told us in the questions? So find the compound interest and the amount he has to pay at the end of 2 years, right? So and amount means what you have got. Amount this one, right? Amount this one. So required amount he has to pay at the end of 2 year. Amount is equal to 12,100. Okay, then CI is equal to n the compound interest CI he has to pay after 2 years. How much? Amount minus principal. Yes, so CI is equal to amount means how much? 12,100, and our principal was how much? 10,000, right? 10,000. So how much amount interest will be? 2,100. Okay, so the previous method also easy and this method also easy. This is very simple, so you can use any method. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Is it? I hope you have understood. Okay, then let me try to do the exercise. Okay, thank you all of you understood. So in this time I am going to request you once, if you like this video, then please give you one like and one comment and subscribe this channel, please. Okay, if you are not subscribing till now, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, so guys, see this exercise 10b, right? Exercise 10b I'm going to solve you. Okay, so see now, question number 1 given. Complete the table using the formula for the compound interest if the interest is compounded annually. Okay, so we have to use here the compound interest formula. Okay, it means second method, how I told you, this method you have to use for finding these two amounts. So first of all, number A, you see the principal is given how much? 4,000 rupees, is it? So a number I am going to solve. Okay, solution. What given us? Principal amount how much given? This one. Okay, 4,000 rupees. 4,000. Yes. So the rate of interest R is equal to what given us? 5%. Right. Then time is given how much? Time is given 1 year. So time is given what? 1 year. Then what need to find? Amount. Right. Amount A need to find, and this compound interest CI also need to find. Okay. So this one I am going to show you. Let's see the video. Okay, so right now we know that okay, so amount is equal to how much? P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. N means what? Number of year means time, is it? So P means how much given? 4,000 rupees is given, then R is given how much? 5%, right? So put the value. Okay, then do the sum. So implies amount is equal to how much? 4,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 1, right? So amount time is given us only 1 year, so we will write here 1. Okay, that means plus amount is equal to 4,000 into, see, if you are taking the LCM, then it will be 1. Is it? By this 1, you divide this 100 into 1 means 100. You will be getting here 100 plus 5, right? Okay. So if you are going to solve this one, how much you will be getting? Implies amount is equal to what? 4,000. Okay, 4,000 into 105 by 100. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel. That means the amount will be how much? Amount is equal to 40 into 105. Okay, if you are going to multiply it, then how much you will be getting? 4,200, right? So the amount will be how much? 4,200, right? Then the principal that compound interest CI is equal to how much? Amount minus principal, right? So 4,200 minus principal means how much? Given us 4,000 rupees. Yes. So compound interest will be how much? 200. Okay. So understood, guys? I hope you understood. Okay. So যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিছে প্লিজ এটা লাইক দিবা আৰু আমাৰ চেনেলটি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি কাষত বেল আইকনটো দবাই দিবা আৰু এটা সাবস্ক্ৰাইবাৰ বাহিলে অকণমান আশীৰ্বাদ পোৱা লাগে মনটো খুব ভাল লাগে সো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিয়া আৰু okay then number B also given that principal amount what given us this one, right? B number 4,500 is given. Okay, then rate of interest R is given how much? 5%. Yes, so time is given how much? For 2 years, right? Time is equal to what? 2 years. Here also what need to find? Amount need to find and compound interest rate need to find, right? Compound interest need to find. So see, amount is equal to we need to find, then compound interest also we need to find. Okay, so right now we know that, how do you know? For compound interest the amount is equal to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n, right? So put the value principal how much given us? 4,500. 1 plus R means what? Given 5 by 100 to the power 2. Okay, it means square, right? So 2 years is given. Okay, so 4,500 into 105 by 100 2, right? So 4,500 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100 because 2 is given, right? So we will write 2 times. Okay, so this 0 cancel, this 0 means only 2 0 can make cancel. Okay, it will be here. Okay, it will be there. So this 0 and this 0 cancel. Okay, then what remaining here? 45 into 105 into 105 divided by this 100. Okay, this 100 remaining here. Okay, so multiply it now. So how much you will be getting here? 4,96125 by 100. Okay, so if you are multiplying it, then you will be getting how much? 4,96,125. Okay, by 100, right? So if you are dividing it by 100, that means see 4,96,125 divided by 100. If you are dividing it by 20, then it will be 4,961.25. Okay, so the amount will be how much? Amount will be 4,961.25. Okay, so the required compound interest CI is equal to how much? Amount minus principal. Yes, so amount is how much? 4,961.25, is it? So minus 4,500. Yes, so will be how much? 461.25 will be the interest. So understood, guys? Okay, then see these numbers, this A, B, C, D, E is given, right? So A number and B number and that and 1 and 2 examples I have done. So here also need to find only the amount and compound interest, right? So C number, D number, E number you will try to do. Okay, in description box my WhatsApp number will be there from today, so you can send me the answer in WhatsApp also, and you can ask me if you have any doubts in my WhatsApp, you can text. Okay, so in the comment box let me know the number C, number D, number E, the amount and compound interest. Okay, this amount and this compound interest, okay, you let me know in my comment box. Okay, thank you all of you. So now let's go to starter number 2. Okay, find the compound interest for the given principal rate and time when compounded half yearly. Okay, so now we are doing it for annually, right? Per annum means per annually, compounded annually. But now we are going to find that interest half yearly. Okay, so let's try to do how to do half yearly. Let's know. Okay, then see the video. So what is the question? Find the compound interest for the given principal rate and time when compounded half yearly. Means we are going to find the interest half yearly. Is it? So see, the A number is given. What given us? Principal amount P is equal to what? Rupees 10,000, right? 10,000. Then rate of interest R is equal to how much? 6%. Yes, 6% per annum. Okay. So time means what given us? 18 month. 18 month. Okay. Okay. So time is given us how much? 18 month. So this one we have written as given part. Is it? So right now here, since it is compounded half yearly, so there will be little change. Okay, so that R is given as how much? 6% per annum, right? This one in half year. See, this is per annum means what? Per annually. Okay, annually. Okay, if in 1 year that interest is 6%, then for half year how much will be? We have to divide it by 2 half year. Is it? So 3% per annum. Okay, 3% will be there. Okay, then this time also is given 18 months, right? 18 months. Here also we have to sense this time 6 months. See, in half year we know that 6 months is there, so we will divide by 6. 18 by 6 means what will be? 3. Is it? 18 months by 6 means what? 3 months. Okay. So since it is compounded half yearly, so this 18 months means what will be? 3 months. Right. So by dividing by 6, why it says by dividing by 6? Because in a half year that 6 months is there, right? So we will put now. We will use the same formula now. Now we know that amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. N means here n means how much? 3 months it is getting. Then R is how much? 3% is getting, right? So put a value. Okay. So principal means how much? 10,000, right? 10,000. 1 plus 3 by 100 to the power 3. Okay. So 10,000 into 103 by 100 into by to the power 3. Okay. So this one, if you are going to solve, how will 10,000, yes, into 103 by 100 into 103 by 100 into 103 by 100, right? So 0 0 cancel, 0 0, this one 0, this one 0, 0 0 cancel. Is it? So what remaining here? 103 into 103 into 103 divided by 100. Yes. So if you are going to do, see. So right now, if you are multiplying this one, we will be getting how much? 1092727 divided by 100. If you are dividing it by 100, then will be the point will be how much? Here is it 10,927.27. This will be the amount, right? So this will be the amount. Now we need to find how much? What do you need to find? See, what all? Find the compound interest for the given, right? Find the compound interest, we need to find the compound interest. So now we have got that amount also, we have got principal also, so we can find that easily. See it. So compound interest CI is equal to amount minus principal, right? So 10,927.27 minus 10,000. Okay, 10,000 was the principal. So what will be 9,927.27 is the compound interest. Okay, understood, guys? Very good. Then now that let's see the question number B also. Okay, B number. What given us? Principal is given us 50,000 and rate of interest is given us 12% per annum and time is what? 1 year, right? So number B. Okay, so what given? Given, right? Principal amount P is equal to how much? 50,000, right? 50,000. Then rate of interest R is equal to how much? 12%. Then time is what given us? 1 year. That means, see, since we are going to compound it half yearly, so we have to convert it into the month. Means 1 year means what? 12 month. Okay, 12 month. Okay. Now see, since it is right now, since it is compounded half yearly, so the rate of interest will be how much? 12% per annum means how much? Per annum means 12 by 2 means what? 6% will be, is it 6%? Then time is given how much? 12 months. That means 12 months. That means 12 by 6 months, right? Means 2. Okay. Okay. So time will be how much? 2 times, right? So the amount, required amount, find amount. Amount is equal to P plus P into 1 plus R by 100. Okay, to the power n. N means what? Time, you know. So principal is given as how much? 50,000. 1 plus this R rate of interest, how much? 6%. Is it? 12% was given, but for half yearly it will be 6%. Right? 6%. 6 by 100 to the power 2 square. Is it? So right now 50,000, is it, into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. If you are doing this LCM, or if you are taking the LCM, then it will be what? So 106 by 100, and then square is there, so we can write 2 times, right? So this 0 and this 0 cancel, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, then this 0, this 0 cancel. What remaining here? 5 into 106 into 106, right? So if you are multiplying this much, what will you be getting? 5 into 106, 106 multiplying, what will you be getting? See? So it will be 56,180. Okay. So this amount will be how much? 56,180. Is it? So that compound interest will be how much? Amount minus principal. So amount is how much? 56,180 minus this principal means how much? 50,000. Is it? So the interest will be how much? 6,180. Okay. 6,180 is the required compound interest. Understood, guys? Okay. Then see, the C number and D number also same. Okay. So you need to find the compound interest only. Is it? So with the same method, this C number, D number, E number, and F number, how much possible? If possible, you will try to do, and let me know the answer in my comment box. And if you are not able to do it, then let me know. I will definitely help you. Okay. And see that, guys, I'm creating one video. I'm creating one WhatsApp group for you. So the link will be in description. So all of you can join in my WhatsApp group. Okay. So that we can talk directly. Thank you all of you. And please do like, subscribe, share this video. Okay.